In this video, we're gonna build my...
What do we got here?
Megadesk,
Of course.
Command Central, Surveillance, Gaming, and Business.
Stay tuned. Alright guys, once again, that was my desk build. As you see, it is here behind me. I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. A lot of time lapse overall, but it was a very successful build of this desk. I've been looking forward to it for quite some time. Hit the bell button if you haven't already. Make sure that you are subscribed, then hit the bell button. Also, like this video, of course. I do have some links that are going to be down in the description down below. Some are affiliate links, some are just links of the materials I used to build this desk. A lot of it being bought from IKEA, but some of it bought from Amazon as well. So I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye everyone.